Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Etsy mobile application. If you want Etsy to look easier on your eyes at night, then you can easily change to a dark mode on Etsy app. Launch open the Etsy application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. From the homepage of Etsy, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. Once you end up in the Use section of your Etsy account, go ahead and tap on Settings. Under Settings, tap on Appearance. Now, choose Dark from the Appearance tab. After you select the dark option, you'll then be able to change your Etsy application interface to a dark mode. You can also go ahead and change your device's setting to dark mode, and the Etsy application will also appear in dark mode following your system theme. So that is how you easily enable dark mode for an Etsy application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.